How to install Minecraft on Chromebook. Here are the steps to install Minecraft on a Chromebook. 1. Make sure your Chromebook supports Linux apps. Most newer Chromebook models do. Go to Settings Linux to see if Linux is supported on your device. 2. Enable Linux if it's not already enabled. In Settings Linux, turn on the Linux Beta option. This will install a Linux virtual machine on your Chromebook. 3. Open the Linux terminal app from your app drawer. This will open a command line terminal for the Linux VM. 4. Update the Linux packages index by running sudo apt-get update 5. Install Minecraft by running sudo apt-get install Minecraft by 6. Once the installation finishes, you can launch Minecraft from the Linux apps drawer or by running Minecraft Pi in the Linux terminal. 7. The first launch will take a bit longer as it sets up required files and configurations. Subsequent launches will be quicker. 8. Play Minecraft. Use mouse and keyboard to move around and interact with the game. That's it. Minecraft is now installed and ready to play on your Chromebook through the Linux environment. The gameplay and controls work very similarly to the desktop version of Minecraft. Have fun.